In terms of cleaning the grow beds and the associated componentry, you guys are going to want to follow a very straightforward process of taking your cleaning solution, diluting it as per Growcer's instructions into a spray bottle. Once that's done, you're going to get your gloves, you're going to get a wet rag. You're then going to remove the lids from each grow bed. You're going to take your solution, you're going to spray the inside, you're going to spray the outside. You're going to take your damp rag, you're going to wipe things down. You're going to remove algae that could potentially be built up along the grow bed. If you want, you can take a bucket, you can fill that with water, you can rinse the debris in the solution into the bucket. You want to make sure that you gather the debris inside of the tray if there is any in there. You want to try and avoid pushing that down towards the end of the grow bed, which will then accumulate into the tanks and potentially clog the pumps over time. That being said, if you do have some heavy-duty buildup of algae or debris, you can use the scrubber brush, scrub the beds. Other thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to clean these black tubes. These are called feeder lines. To clean these, what you're going to have to do is turn off the water flow to sections. Again, you can do that with the control valves up high. Use the red valve at the top. Once water flow has stopped flowing, you're going to remove the feed line from the hole at the top of the grow bed. You're going to take this brush, you're going to stick it inside, you're going to give it a good scrub. There's going to be mineral salt deposits built up in there, possibly some algae. When you're done that, stick it back inside of the hole at the top of the grow bed and you're done. Each pump in the Growcer system, whether it's the pump in the accumulator tanks or whether it's the pump in the seedling tank or whether it's the pumps in the main reservoir tank, they're all going to have pump bags around the pump. So it's important that we also clean these. So to clean these bags, all we're essentially going to be doing is reaching in, removing the bag from the pump, taking it out, and cleaning it as per the instructions that Growcer has given us. When we're done cleaning the bags, we can then put the bags back into the tanks and around the pumps, and we're done. So one of the general maintenance tasks that you guys are going to have to take care of is just general cleaning of the floors, cleaning of the ceiling fans. So again, always go back to the Growcer manuals, follow their instructions. There's instructions for how to clean these ceiling fans, as well as how to mop and properly clean the floors with the solution that they provided.